Hey everybody, it's Susan, and today I'm going to be doing a bloom. I'm going to be trying a new paint that I have for my cell activator. Thought I would give it a try. It's, I'll show you what it is. It's golden. I don't know if this is actually a new paint, how long this has been out. It's called So Flat. It's a flat paint, and it's blue violet. It is kind of like, it's creamy, and it's kind of like the golden fluid. It might be slightly thicker than that. So what I had to do was I added some Liquitex matte gel to thicken the cell activator up a bit. As well, I used Australian Floetrol. My base paint is PPG Kitchen, Bath, and Trim Satin. I'm not sure if that's enough. I'm going to add a little bit more around the outside. The paint that I use to mix with my colors is also PPG Kitchen, Bath, and Trim. And it is semi-gloss ultra deep base. It works really well for a pouring medium. And I use Josanya varnish, gloss varnish as well. Okay, I'll begin adding my colors. So here I am using Frost, this little Piggy Frost. I'm making my paints a little bit thicker lately, so I'll just try and show you how it is. I'm just going to pour it a bit. It's easier to pour. I'm actually going to add more to it. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding ore, this little Piggy ore. I'm going to use up the last of what I have here, so I can't pour it. I have to just scrape it out of the container. Okay, that's it for ore. Now I'm adding Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. So now I'm going to use the last of this as well. Next is Golden Open, and it is dioxazine purple. trying not to use too much of this because I have a dark cell activator. So I'm gonna add another color after this, but dioxazine purple seems to take over quite a bit, so now I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Lemon Yellow. Okay, so now the cell activator, before I put it on, whoops, I'm going to just smoosh out the paint a little bit, and then I'm going to change my camera angle. I'm back. I hope my head doesn't get in the way. It might a little bit, but so what I do with the cell activator is I stir it quite a bit before I use it. You should stir it. You should stir it quite a bit before you each time you use it. It's already developing quite a bit because I had to change my camera angle. So now I'm going to just spin it. Oh. I'll just have to move it over. It's not quite in the middle. Looking good so far. Okay. Yes, I think it looks really nice. I like it. I will show you a close-up. Here's my dried result. It dried nice and smooth, nice and flat. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.